I just tell you how to set up the car wash process for Sino Star C9 and the C9 Pro. So here you see this English screen, so we choose automatic. And here the process setting. Here you can see we can set up in total 6 models. So for example, we set up a model 5. So you can choose any functions you want and you can switch the orders. So first we make a chassis wash, and some people like this one liquid, and another the function, the high pressure wash, and make a shampoo and flushing. You can see already done, and make a colorful shampoo and flush, and we can make wax. Okay, after wax we can make one air drying, and we can make if you want to dry better, we can make another air drying. Okay, so done. So you can start to wash with the Model 5 with my setting.